You already know. Welcome back to Misha's Corner. Let's get into this grocery haul. I went to the Sprouts supermarket and picked up a couple things. Now I usually get, all I get is boneless, skinless chicken thighs because it's my favorite now. I like the breast too, but I don't buy the other part. Y'all know I'm obsessed with chicken wings. I don't know the last time I had a chicken wing, y'all, because I'm trying to do right, like I said. But I also got some ground turkey. The ground turkey breast I usually get was too pricey, and I just didn't think it was worth it. So I got the regular ground turkey. I have some rainbow carrots, some apples, some ginger, and I'm pretty much going to be making the juice later on this week. I'm going to show it to y'all. I got some shallots because we don't use onions no more. I have some potatoes. You can use your favorite potato, but I like the purple one. I'll get it from the Sprouts market. So sometimes they're beat up, but they're perfectly fine once I peel them up. So I had cucumber. I'm doing some spring cleaning, and I needed some bleach spray, so I got that. Some Meyer lemons because they're super delicious, and lemonade. Over here, I have a heirloom tomato. I usually buy like 2 or 3, but they were super ripe this week, so I just got one because I don't want it to go bad too fast. I got some arugula for salad. I have banana, and of course, I'm going to be putting the banana in my yogurt bowl. Y'all know how that goes. And some cherry tomatoes. So this was pretty much everything. I also got a magazine because it was cute. And of course, I'm always looking for ways to spice things up, especially when I cook for people or clients. So I decided to check out this magazine. Now for the meal prep. So I'm just going to meal prep pretty much the entire package of the chicken thighs so I can have it ready to go, you know. Like let's say I wanted to put it with a piece of potato one day or chop it up and put it in a salad. I feel like this method has been helping me a lot. So of course I'm going to wash them. So I washed it this time with vinegar and lime juice. But you can, wash it or not wash it. It's totally up to you. And I soak it in cold water and let it do its thing. While that's going on, we're going to work on the marinade. So the marinade is mustard, harissa. This harissa is so good. I got it from the Aldi supermarket. I also added some smoked paprika, a handful of cilantro, and an entire little baggy thing. I don't even know what to call. I guess I could call it a pouch. Yeah, a pouch of garlic. Of course, I'm using It's Lit lemon pepper, period. A couple tablespoons of white wine vinegar, and then I'm just going to blend. As you notice, I didn't add salt. Make sure you add salt, especially if you have no illnesses, nothing going on, because I don't want y'all to say the food was bland. Make sure you add salt. I'm not adding salt to mine. However, if you have my spice in your house and you use the It's Lit lemon pepper, you should be fine. That one piece of garlic just couldn't let me live. Just had to, not break down in a food processor. Like, come on. But you want to put this in the refrigerator and let it chill and do its thing. Now we're going to move on to prepping the fruits and veggies for this week. Well, just the tomatoes. I'm going to wash up my raspberries because, I put them in my yogurt bowl because that's how I break my fast. But I'm definitely switching it up this week. And so I just rinse them in a little vinegar and water, and that's it. I keep it cute. I don't do too much, do the most, because you can break down your raspberries if you do the most. And this one had a little imperfection on it, but I ate it. So now I'm going to rinse up my cherry tomatoes. There we go again, another imperfection. I removed that one though, because girl, no. And then I just rinse it up just like I did the raspberries. And then I just pop them in the fridge, and then they're all just ready to go. Just make things a lot easier. And I just love the bright, beautiful colors. Like, eating bright, beautiful colors definitely helps with healthy eating. Next, I'm going to move on to building the yogurt mixture. I've done this before, but there's several people that always say, what's in the yogurt? Don't say I ain't show y'all twice. This is the second time now. Just to be clear, this is a 32-ounce bucket of non-fat plain Greek yogurt. So it's a couple tablespoons of vanilla, a couple tablespoons of honey, and a ton of cinnamon. Now, cinnamon has amazing benefits, especially when it's organic. So I use a lot of it. And like I said, this is a huge tub. And so, yeah, I'm going to gently mix it all up and get it ready to go. And then it's set. So in the morning, all I do is pour it in my bowl and build my bowl instead of mixing it and blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah. And then I don't want to do it. And then I don't eat it. And then I fall off. Do you know what I mean? So now that the chicken is nice and marinated, I removed it from the refrigerator 30 minutes before I cooked it. And now I'm adding it to my air fryer. And all I did was hit the chicken option on my air fryer. So whatever time and temperature comes up, when you hit your chicken option, that's what you use to cook the chicken, because that's what I did. And so I'm going to add as much as I can. I'm sure I'm probably going to do this in 2 batches because they're not all going to fit, as you can see. Look at this marinade on this chicken. And the chicken is perfectly cooked, juicy, and ready to go. Y'all, please don't cook y'all chicken halfway to the graveyard, okay? Because you got to heat this up all week. Well, not all week, but at least a couple days. And, just don't cook it forever. And this is what it looks like. Super juicy, super flavorful, healthy, and easy to make. Good to go. So this is what it all looks like. And as you can see, I didn't prep the veggies because I prefer to prep it when I'm about to use it, especially if it's like a cold salad. So I have my cucumber, my lettuce, my arugula ready to go this week. All I gotta do is chop it up and then just toss my fruits in with my yogurt bowl and I'm good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching. Also, I wanted to show you guys and tell you that this is my 100th day that my blood pressure has been controlled. Love that for me. I'm so excited about it, and I'm just ready to get this done and over with. But love you guys. Bye.